Hi, my name is Emily Boff, and I'm the Customer Success Coordinator here at Equips. In this video, we'll learn how to create saved views within the application. Saved views are extremely beneficial for reports that you view frequently and can be created on both service request or an equipment list. Today, we'll review how to create one on service requests. So from the dashboard, go to Service and View Request as you normally would, and then apply any filters or rearrange any columns that you'd like for your view. Once complete, click on the Saved Views icon, and you will have the option to add and name your view. Now, you do have the option to share this with your entire organization, or you can just save it for yourself, and then click Save. Now, anytime we come back to the service request page, we can click on the Saved Views icon again and pull up our view. There is a faster way to access your saved views. So if we go back to the dashboard and scroll to the lower left-hand side, we'll see a section labeled Quick Views, and this will show all of the views shared within the organization. If we click on the heart next to the view, it will favorite this and bring it to the top here. Now, if we click on this directly from the dashboard, it'll automatically bring us to the page. Thank you for watching, and as always, please reach out to your account advisor with any questions.